Alright, so we got a 2005 Toyota 4Runner. Customer complains that the sunroof seal isn't sealing properly. But what's happening, like on many sunroofs, no matter what the make and model of the vehicle, the drains get clogged. So what I'm going to do is, best tool I've found so far, if you don't have access to an air compressor with a blow nozzle, is weed eater string. This is pretty thick weed eater string, but it works perfectly. It's got enough thickness to it to where it can make it through from the top of the drain to the bottom. So what you do is you come up, open your sunroof, but you're wanting to inspect your drip channel all the way down. Okay, make sure, because a lot of debris over time can get caught up in it and cause it to get blocked up, blocking the drains. So I've already done the other side. That was the worst one. But in the corner, you're going to find the drain hole. I'll take a still shot of it, but it's right see if I can get this to go over. Right there in the lower right hand corner, you can see that hole. So what I'm going to do, trying to straighten out the weed eater string enough to get it to catch in that hole. Trying to do this one-handed, so it's not the easiest thing to do. Okay, so there's your hole. I've got it in there. All right, so got a pretty good bit, so I'm going to feed that through slowly. And just work it all the way down. Sometimes you might hit a snag and just go back and forth with it if you're trying to get through a little snag. But it should go fairly easy. You'll have a little bit of tension on it as you're going through. And sometimes, depending on where the drain plug is placed on the vehicle, you'll be able to see the weed eater string at the drain, the exit drain at the bottom of this drain tube. All right, so that's it. That's all the way down. Let's see if there's, so we can see the string. Don't see it, however. You see a little bit of water dripping out. There may be the AC drain. I'm not crawling up underneath to verify it. But that's one of the easiest ways to try and clear your sunroof drains. It's a good idea to check it, you know, depending on where you're living. If you're living around a lot of vegetation, trees and such, it's good. Every time you get your oil changed, go get you some weed eater string. Check your sunroof area for debris and go ahead and clean it out. And if you need to, go ahead and run the weed eater string through it. And that way, good preventive maintenance. So now here's the string. And you want to be careful not to just yank it out. All right, because if you did in fact clear a clog, you're going to have a mess on the end of the string. So you don't want to put all that dirt and crud on the interior. All right, so easy DIY sunroof drain clearing.